beyond gold, beyond time.
Today, we start where true luxury begins, the source of 18CT gold. Follow me as we witness the
Copper weight certified. Platinum trace nominal. Final batch certified for fusion. Temperature exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius. Initiating fusion. Maintain stabilization.
Stabilizer dose injected. Chemistry check nominal. Fusion complete.
Spectrometer confirms 750 parts per thousand gold. Everos formula locked and stable.
pour rate set. Maintaining thermal control for crystallization.
Quenching array engaged. Bead formation confirmed.
Bead sizing initiated. Target uniformity achieved.
These beads are now certified 18-karat gold, Rolex's proprietary Everos alloy. Flawless, stable, and ready for
QC confirmed. Everos alloy passing all metrics.
Bead loading complete. Initiating thermal refusion.
Die temperature stabilized. Continuous draw initiating.
rod diameter verified. Color consistent. Production flow steady.
Slab profile locked. Transfer to rolling prep.
Cooling profile initiated. Surface temperature dropping to 40 degrees Celsius.
Diameter variance zeroed. Tolerance verified to top as is 2-tex microns. Slab loaded. Pressure settings verified. Engaging rollers.
Plate certified. Thickness variance 0. Clear for component feed.
Gold stock transit initiated. Clear path to machining hall.
Section 2. Now that the perfect Everos alloy is certified, we move to the machining hall, where we begin shaping the iconic Day-Date case.
Material flow certified. Machining protocols initiated.
Case stock loaded. Hydraulic clamp torque verified. Begin rough contour.
Rough contour certified. Material integrity nominal.
Aperture depth verified. Tolerance check nominal.
Bezel stock loaded. Spindle calibration complete.
Fluting depth verified. Profile integrity check commencing. Stamping cycle complete. Pressure relief nominal.
Thread profile confirmed. Zero tolerance variance.
Dimensional scan complete. All points certified nominal.
This monoblock construction is the legendary oyster case, the foundation of every Rolex group, carved from a single block of gold.
Gold stock feed steady. Initiating link cutting program.
Cut cycle green. Output rate sustained.
Tumbling cycle initiated. Target time 6 hours.
Drill trajectory locked. Hole diameter verified to debut 1 micron. Geometry confirmed. All link tolerances certified. Component density certified.
Okay.
Engraving depth verified. Traceability matrix confirmed.
Pressure stable at 10 BAR. Zero leakage confirmed.
Ultrasonic cycle complete. Zero contaminants detected.
Gasket seated and clear. Integrity verified.
Case threads certified zero fatigue. Structural integrity pass.
First pass complete. Preparing for final shine.
Luminosity measured. Consistency variance 0.
Luster achieved. Fluting integrity retained. Internal link screws secured. Articulation check nominal.
Articulation test complete. Zero friction variance.
Engraving resolution certified. Depth and profile nominal.
Class block verified. Flush fit certified nominal.
Screw torque verified. All links secured. Component decontamination complete. Ready for clean room transfer.
Transfer authorized. Clean room integrity locked.
Section 3. Now that the gold case is polished, we enter the most sacred space, the ultra clean rooms, where we build time's true engine and face.
Bath purity certified. Surface etching nominal. Lacquer viscosity nominal. Coverage certified.
Radial depth certified. Sunray pattern complete.
Internal marking complete. Code verification pass. Vacuum grip nominal. Marker transport.
Marker set. Alignment verification commencing.
This is true luxury finishing. After the gold is placed, the factory turns to the highest value element, the setting of every precious stone.
Aperture size confirmed. Ready for stone setting.
Stone alignment certified. Setting pressure applied.
Stone clarity certified. Setting profile pass.
Vibration cycle passed. Stone retention confirmed.
Milling program verified. Toolpath locked. Jewel 4 seating confirmed. Lubrication check nominal.
Gear train secured. Freedom of motion verified.
Hairspring engaged. Amplitude test set.
Dose confirmed. Bearing friction optimized.
Hundreds of components must harmonize. This is where human skill ensures the ultimate chronometric performance of the Calibre 3255.
Rotor secured. Free oscillation verified.
Degreasing cycle initiated. No chemical variance.
Rate stabilized. Chronometer standard achieved.
Hand secured. Clearance level verified.
Lume dose verified. Luminescence test pass.
Section 4. The movement meets the gold. The final delicate steps to create the ultimate day-date watch head.
Movement seated. Pin alignment secured.
Stem locked. Setting function verified. Crown sealed. Final quarter turn locked.
Press force verified. Bezel snap confirmed.
Crystal seated. Centered alignment verified.
This is now a complete watch head, ready for its most difficult test, the Superlative Chronometer Certification, proving its accuracy after assembly.
Pressure at 12.5 BAR. Zero ingress detected.
Final rate deviation plus $1.5 extra seconds.
Luminosity uniform. Zero fade variance.
Spring bar locked.
Luster perfect. Zero dust, zero marks.
Box integrity verified. Velvet lining set.
Masterpiece complete. Ready for final dispatch.
Serial match confirmed. Authentication locked.
Batch count nominal. Ready for security scan.
Pallet manifest verified. Transfer protocols initiated.
Thousands of hours, thousands of processes, resulting in one flawless timepiece, multiplied across this entire dispatch hall.
Security seal applied. Integrity locked.
The gold standard. complete.
Beyond gold, beyond time. This factory begins beyond gold, beyond time.
That is the ultimate journey of precision. From a few bars of gold to the flawless Calibre 3255.
What impossible factory should we uncover next? A massive cruise liner? A diamond processing plant? Let me know in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Manufacturing for more impossible factory journeys.